Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set photos, transfer to Mac or PC in a compatible format or in originals file size on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Photos. Next, in Photos, you want to go down, and in the Transfer to Mac or PC section, you can choose Automatic. If you select Automatic, then when transferring photos to the Mac or a PC, it will transfer in a compatible format. Or if you choose to keep originals, then it will always going to keep the original size when transferring photos to the computer. And that's it. So select Automatic or keep originals, and finally you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.